Hello everybody, it is Brian Morris here. I'd like to show you my clock, but it is actually 2:20, Friday, November 9th, 2018, but for some reason my computer clock's saying it's 5:37 a.m. I don't understand that, but nonetheless, you can see down here, it is 2:20. This is the active bar right now, 2:20 and 51 seconds. So, yeah. Interesting. I'll have to figure out why it's doing that. I actually did take a trade this morning, and I got it on video, and then I came back, and it was acting all weird because it was a very slow connection, and apparently I was on demo. So, yeah. So I'm going to trade again. We're on the live account, and we're going to try this again. It's dangerous trading this late in the afternoon on a Friday, but hopefully I can get in a good trade. At least get a couple of points in like I was hoping for, like I did earlier. And if not, then we'll just call it an even day and wait till Monday. So I'm just going to pause this video and hope something sets up. Okay, we got in here. Looks like 2 ticks of slippage. Looks like it's still working on 3 points here. I need to move my stop up to just a tick above the swing high, and see if we can't get another leg down here. We'll pause the video and come back and let you know the result. Alright, that one stopped us out. Let's see if we can get another one in here. Trying to figure out why that stopped that. We had a break here. I guess this was the second leg, but usually you can get 2 out of that. It's possible this will 3-tail down. I wish it were closer to the EMA, but we'll see if it makes it down there. And that did not set up, so closed out that pending order, and we'll just wait for something good. Hopefully we'll get something good. It's 227-ish right now, so market's going to get a little slower the longer we wait. So I got into the game a little bit late. Let's go back and see if around 10 o'clock I would have. I'm not looking at any of the trades here. Let's see. I would have looked for a trade to the downside here. Wouldn't have got it. It's a nice up move here. That would have been a nice move to the upside, fanning of the EMAs. A little pullback, 93.25. That would have been a loser. Could have taken this double top. Let's look and see if this goes down, 90.25. Alright, you got one back there. Let's see if we get another one. I guess technically you could have gone short here. 78.25. Still been in the trade. It would have stopped you out there. Fridays are a tough day. Let's wait for the... There we go. EMAs are breaking out. Fanning. Take a short here. 63.25. Boom. Got it. Probably can re-enter here. 60.25. Boom. Got it. So now what? We're 3 and 2. Probably wouldn't have taken that one. We've exhausted that one. It needs to recharge. Nice EMA bounce. Let's see if it gives us a short off of 55.75. It does not. It would have been a loser. So what are we? 3 and 3. There's another EMA bounce here. Let's see if we can take this one to the short side. 54.25. Another loser. Alright, let's see if we can get a buy stop here. Sorry for that abrupt changeover. I was looking at some of those back trades and kind of got distracted. Alright, I like this setup better anyway. Let's see if we get this to the upside. Alright, that's not going to set up. I was looking for the double bottom bounce here. If anything, I'd be looking for something short. Looks like the EMAs are about to cross over. It's already broken through the support. And get a nice little retrace and see if we can get a leg back down. Okay, so this is one of those situations where it kind of worked out in my favor here, it looks like. Trade triggered over here. I think what was going on was I was looking for possibly a bounce off of this to go back north, so I had a pending order. Looks like right here for some reason. Well, I guess it could have been. So when it came back down and triggered this and went up, this wasn't really the trade I was looking for, but it did work out in my favor. I had to step away from my screen, and it worked out in my favor, thank goodness. So we got a little bit of a recovery there. So this is where we are live. My clock's still messed up, so it's 15:33. So it's 3:33 p.m. Got a limited time going on here. Looks like we couldn't have a move to the downside, but I'd really like to only take longs here because of the trend is long, and well, too late now. Let's keep this stop tight just in case. See if we can get a couple of ticks. Yeah, let's not keep that stop tight. Let's put it where it's supposed to go. I want to make sure it has room to breathe in case it's going to fluctuate, but if it goes against us, then well, you know what, tell you what, I am gonna put that stop just above the up close, because there's a good chance that if it up closes, it's gonna keep moving to the upside. Although, let me give it a couple more tick space in case we get a three tail down to the downside, and it didn't. How much did we lose? $90. Yeah, should have left it. Looks like we could get that push to the downside, just like I was expecting. Truthfully, though, this is a good long play. I'm going to try and see about taking this long. I needed to get in about a point ago, but let's move this down. Matter of fact, let's a re-entry here and get two contracts in. I'm going to bring this down to the swing low in case we get a double bounce. Now we're more into our perfect play. So what do we got here? Let's see what we'll end up here. So 54.50. So that's 4 points plus 1, so 17 ticks. It's about $170. If we can win this trade, that'll be about where we need to be. We'll call it a day. Let's see if we can get that to swing up here. It'll be a small profit for the day if we win this trade with these two contracts. Kind of doesn't know what it wants to do, really. I feel like we have a better chance of, as you can see, it's been bouncing off this EMA for a while, and hopefully this is no different. There's some structure up here to this resistance, so I would hope that if it bounces off this EMA, maybe they'll try to make another run for this. We're looking for it to be just short of that, but it would be enough to let's see if we can get 4.5 points, move it one more tick. This is what's nice, to give you the ability to play multiple contracts. I don't like this. resistance forming there, but looks like it's going to pop through. That's nice. There we go. Take it. Take it. Got it. Nice. Love it. Love it. Love it. 70 up. 5 contracts. Let's see what our net's going to be. Oh, why does this calculator get so huge? 5 times 4.5. 2250 minus 70. That's 47.5. That's good. That's real good. This might even be a good opportunity to... You know what? Let's take a couple more ticks. Let's see if we can get just a few ticks out of this. Let's see if this will retrace back down. Come on. Take it out. Ah! Played with fire. Looks like it might still move up. Let's go ahead and add a contract. That was dumb. Now it goes down. I had it right, it just didn't go up far enough. Let's see if we can get this to bounce back up here. Come on. Make a run. Make another run. There you go. Alright, so what do we got there? Back to 65. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Maybe it'll make another run for that resistance level up here. Could make another run down for this support. We got multiple support here. We have this double bottom, which is why I took that. But if this is going to go north here, let's see, it might come down and test this support again. Or it might shoot back up on a pullback and try to get back to this resistance. See, it's in a definite range here. It's definitely pivoting here in this range. And these are good ones to take advantage of. They're pretty predictable. To a degree. There's no guarantee. Oh, lots of slippage on that. Nice. That's what I was looking for. Now we are done. Don't care where we stand. So we got 11 contracts, right? It's going to be about $49.50. We should have a nice profit today. 11 times 4, yeah, $49.50. Minus 125, 75 smackers. Profit. So 11, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contract. That's not a good percentage. Just 6 wins, 6 contract winners, and 5 contract losers. Not the best, but let me bring up the spreadsheet here, and we'll finish this out. Okay, $125 divided by 5, so we had 25 ticks today. 11 trades, 6 winners. Oops, not 60, that'd be nice. 5 losers. Yeah, not great. I guess that dollar amount's the end result we're looking for, right? I guess technically I didn't lose that many trades because of we had multiple contracts, but I'm basing this off the contract winners and losers. It's the easiest way to, well, that's not right. Well, that's not right at all. Why is it doing that? Oh, that is right. I'm sorry. I forgot we had 11 trades in here. Okay. Alright. So that's it for today. I still need to fix this because today's actually the 9th. I need to figure out what I'm missing in here. I'll figure that out later. Not too worried about that right now. But anyway, that's it for today. I hope everyone has a good weekend. We survived, made a profitable day, and I guess that's what it's all about, right? Took more trades than I would have liked, but sometimes it's what you got to do to get that end result. Trust the system that works, and you'll get there. See you guys. Next week. Have a good weekend.